Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your commissions with AWeber, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your commissions with AWeber, start by logging into your AWeber account. Navigate to the Reports tab on the dashboard. Select the commission report from the drop-down menu. Review your sales activity and identify any missing commissions. Take note of the specific date range for your commission activities. Check your affiliate links to ensure they are correctly set up. Confirm that your email captures and follow-ups are working properly. If you notice discrepancies, gather all relevant transaction details. Prepare a summary of your findings for reference. Contact AWeber's customer support through the Help Center. Provide them with the necessary transaction details and your summary. Be clear and concise in your communication. Wait for their response, as they will investigate the issue. Keep track of your correspondence until the issue is resolved. Once the issue is resolved, verify that your commissions are updated. Continue monitoring your commissions regularly to avoid future issues. Stay informed about any AWeber updates that might affect your commissions. By following these steps, you can successfully recover your commissions with AWeber. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.